Hi guys, it's Jay from J and D's Retirement Journey. Just wanted to say thanks for watching and please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Thanks so much. The Saturday before Labor Day, we went to Sandy Hook Beach in the Jersey Shore for a beach day. The beach was half empty, it was a little chilly, so the beach was pretty empty. We had a nice time, the weather was nice, despite it was like in the 80s, 70s, 80s, but nice wind. We had a nice time. I want to give you a few facts about Sandy Hook Beach. The cost to get in is $20 per car, which is pretty cheap for Jersey Shore beaches. If you get a season pass, it's $100. It's half if you're a senior citizen, which is a great deal for the Jersey Shore. I want to give you some a quick history of Sandy Hook. It has excellent surf, fishing, hiking trails, a paved bicycle path, bayside salt marshes, and over 300 species of birds. And it's run by the Coast Guard and operates the lighthouse, which is the oldest lighthouse in the U.S. It has been in service since 1764. Sandy Hook Beach in general is run by the National Park Service. There is also a history behind it. During World War II, there is a fort named Fort Hancock on the property. The property is 2,044 acres, so it's a very large beach. There's a beach for dogs. There's a nude beach if you like nude bathing. And during World War II, the Women's Auxiliary Corps was formed. It was the first branch of women in the Army. They released men from administrative duty so that they could serve in combat. During World War II, the women's garrison in Fort Hancock grew from 1,000 to 12,000 during the war. Women were assigned to work in the Army ground, air, and services forces. They provided administration and logistic support. They also worked in the dental services. So there's a lot of history behind this beach. I would definitely recommend it. It's a clean, very clean beach, very nice. The dog side, we went and it had a lot of flies and stuff, so I wouldn't recommend that. But if you want to bring your dog, that's where you go, by the bay. But the beach was very nice. The only thing I didn't like about the beach, it had no garbage cans. You had to take your own garbage, lug it back out. That was the only downside, but I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for listening, and have a great day. Thanks again, guys.